Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will explore NotebookLM, a unique tool that combines your notes with the power of large language models. We'll compare it with ChatGPT and RAG approaches and discuss its strengths and limitations. So let's dive in. So, what is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is a tool developed by Google that lets you use your personal notes in combination with the large language models. Think of it like an AI powered assistant built to work specifically with the documents which you upload. You can get summaries, explanations, or even insights tailored to your own notes. So let's try to log in. This is notebooklm.google and I just logged in. So this is the opening page, and let's say if you wanted to create a new notebook, just create a new notebook, and you can choose a variety of documents. Either it can be from your computer or Google Drive or links, and copy paste some text, anything as such. To get started, simply we'll upload a document. So let's try to upload a document from my laptop. I'll just upload this. This is a simple text document. Basically, how Notebook LM can be used for DevOps projects. That's a simple overview. I have got it, and I just trying to upload it. So if you see, uh, once you upload the document, it actually provides a pretty neat summary, and also it provides few suggested questions. uh, so let's say if you wanted to know what are the primary ways notebook lm simplifies devops tasks, you can just click on that. It's like a chat, and it will actually provide you the response back. So this is the detailed response from the document, and also it does provide more insights into what are the different questions you may have, all these things, and you can just click on any of them, and then it does provide good summary of a detailed answering here. And also the other part is, uh, once you click on this particular the numbering here, it will actually show from which part of the document it is actually providing the response from. So that's very good way we can get more information. If it's in our case, it's just a simple text document which is of like probably 100 lines. But let's say you have a very big document and you would like to get some insights on it, or you wanted to get more knowledge about that document. So that way this particular notebook lm will be very useful. So you can simply upload the document, and then probably uh, as it provides the insights, you can actually go through all the questions and probably read more on the questions which interest you, rather than going through all the parts of the document. That way it's very useful. So that's the one of the use cases of notebook lm. And let's explore on the other use case. It does have a Google Translate feature as well. So let's try to upload a document which is in other language. So I'll just use Hanuman Chalisa, which is an uh, Hindu scripture in Hindi. I'll try to open it, and so it does actually provide insights on, see what is the purpose of Sri Hanuman Chalisa, what are the main themes and messages within the Hanuman Chalisa, what is Sri Hanuman Chalisa structured and what makes it language and unique. So everything it, I haven't give any information other than those 40 verses of Hanuman Chalisa here, and then it does provide all the related insight summary and everything here. So also it does not get any other information from internet. All its knowledge is from the that particular source document only. It does not go and search for some other websites and get you those information. All the knowledge from that particular document itself. So if we can just press on it, what is the purpose of Sri Hanuman Chalisa? And whatever it has, I mean, it just all the information which it gained from the source document only, it does provide the insights. It does not have any information from outside. And let's also look at other use case as well. So if you see here, there is a provision for providing a website link or YouTube. Let's try to provide a YouTube link. So I'll just queue and I'll paste the URL here. So it does immediately, it was able to get all the information from that particular video and summarize it, and then it has few questions. So this feature is really helpful, I felt, because let's say if you wanted to prepare for an interview and you wanted to test your knowledge by yourself, so in that case you can actually use this particular tool where you can get the YouTube URL here, paste it, and try to answer the questions. And if at all, if you wanted to verify it, rather than watching the YouTube video, you can just check the answers here. That way it would save your time and it would be a interesting way to learn, I feel. But again, everyone has different ways of learning, but yeah, this is the one of the options you can utilize. Also there are different options. Let's say if you wanted to get FAQs, you can just click on FAQs and it does provide a generated FAQs from the document, and then it provides it here. You can save it as a notes and you can rename it and all those kind of stuff. You can do that. And also if you want some table of contents, then it generates it. And if you wanted to add yourself some notes, and you can just add it here. So other interesting feature here is it actually provides a podcast between two hosts about our source document. The source can be a document or a website URL, a Google Doc, or YouTube uh, YouTube video, anything it can be, but it clearly generates a podcast. That's again a feature which is very useful if you wanted to explore more. Let me try. So it generated the podcast of our YouTube video now. Let's try to listen. It it generated pretty good a podcast of our video, and it's between the podcast between two hosts, and they are actually discussing our video content here. So this is very good feature. So those are the few features of notebook LM. And coming to limitations, right? So as of now only 50 sources can be added, If you see, so 50 is the max sources we can add, and you can't add a Word document, but as a replacement, you can copy the content from Word document, Microsoft Word, and then paste in the Google Doc, and then you can attach that particular document again from the Google Drive. Response of your questions is as good as your source quality, because as it doesn't actually go and grab the information from outside, so all the information it has is your source document or video or website or any Google Drive, whatever it is. So your document should be well structured and with good quality content, so that the answers to your questions are also of that quality. And coming to comparison, right? ChatGPT versus NotebookLM. So in ChatGPT, you can't actually provide your personalized document. So the knowledge is limited to a generic knowledge. So that's where ChatGPT lacks that ability. So with NotebookLM is tightly integrated with your notes, making it highly specialized for personal information. But it does not perform well with data it hasn't seen or information that isn't in your document. So that's the other take on the notebook LM. In summary, notebook LM is a game changer for personalized AI interactions, but it's not without its limitations. It's perfect if you want to harness the power of AI with your notes, but isn't suitable for those who need broader or real time information. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe